evening. I am Chef Ponzu, and welcome to another episode of Cooking Beyond the Stars. I shall be teaching you today how to make snowflake, a very delectable dish. First ingredient you shall need, this is flim flam from Titus 5. The surface is covered in green goo that is best described as sweet and a little gelatinous. So you'll take your flim flam and gently tap it, sometimes with a knife. And if it will still not come out of your container, you shall pry it boop, until it comes out and frees itself. Then, after you have removed your flim flam, you shall take the second ingredient. This is blush. Blush is a very rare ingredient, students. Be very privileged you get to see this. I have mercenaries who fly all the way to Venus 12, which is like Venus, but 12 times harsher. Now the blush monster has a very interesting secretion that, when topped with your flim flam, should make for a very interesting souffle. It adds a nice layer of bittersweet tanginess to your dish. Now, the next ingredient, and this is the best part, we get to have the snot from a snoo. Now, snoos are best described as a big nose monster, and they can projectile sneeze up to 70 miles away. So, we have to be very careful in how we get this snoo. Now, we're going to reach in, tickle his nostrils, and then take out the snot. It would be lovely. Now, let me just go ahead and reach in. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Something seems to be wrong. Let me check on our little snoo.
Guilty!
Oh, but that's one way of doing it, students. Well, you'll just extract that snot from your face, or wherever you got it on you, and just dollop it onto your souffle. And then we shall take our last ingredient, which is, I best call it space chicken. Space chicken you shall take, twist it in half, and then you shall take the half of your space chicken and place it on your souffle, and there you have it, your very own souffle. Let us take a bite. Wasn't that lovely, students? Well, I thank you so much for coming on this adventure with me. And we shall see you next time on Cooking Beyond the Stars.